Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Outlook. This is a handy feature that lets you control how your name appears to recipients when you send emails, making your messages look more professional or personalized. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that your inbox has loaded completely before moving forward. This ensures that all your account settings are accessible and ready to be modified. Once your email has loaded, head to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menu are located. Click on File. This section is where you'll find most of the important account configuration options in Outlook, so it's essential to know where it is. Once your File menu has opened, look at the right side part of the screen and click on the Account Settings dropdown. From the option that appears, click on Account Settings. Now an Account Settings window will appear. From here, simply locate the email account you wish to change the display name on. Click on it to select it, then click on Change. This opens up the specific settings for that particular email account, allowing you to make personalized adjustments. An Account Settings window will appear. From here, you'll see the Your Name field, which is your email address by default. You can change this and add in your new display name. Type in whatever name you'd like recipients to see when they receive your emails. This could be your full name, a business name, or any other identifier that suits your needs. Then click on Next to proceed. You'll see a notification that the account is successfully updated. This confirmation means your changes have been saved and will now appear whenever you send an email from this account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display name in Outlook, and now your emails will reflect the name you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.